Hello, tech lovers. Welcome back to Mobile Buzz 2.0, your go-to channel for all things mobile. In today's video, we're delving into some hot news about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Could this be the most popular foldable phone of the year? Let's break down what we know so far. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to keep up with all our latest content. The price factor. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is creating quite a stir, and a big reason might be its price. Historically, the Galaxy Z Flip series has been priced significantly lower than the Galaxy Z Fold line and even some traditional smartphones. This strategic pricing has made the Z Flip models incredibly popular. The big question on everyone's mind: will Samsung continue this trend with the Z Flip 6, or will we see a price hike this year? While the final price tag is still under wraps, we can speculate based on previous models and recent leaks. Production and partners. Diving into the production side, Samsung is gearing up with some strategic partnerships. The ultra-thin glass, UTG, crucial for the Z Flip 6's foldable display, will be handled by Icony, a key player in Samsung's supply chain since 2021. For the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung continues its collaboration with Dowo Insys for its UTG needs. Supply chain dynamics. Understanding the supply chain gives us insights into the production quality and potential costs. Samsung employs Corning substrates for the Flip models and Shots for the Fold models. These materials are essential for the durability and quality of the foldable screens. Icony is part of the Samsung MX business supply chain, focusing on smartphones, while Dowo Insys works with Samsung Display, ensuring top-tier components across the board. Potential challenges. While Icony remains a strong partner for the Z Flip 6, UTI, another contractor, has been left out of this round due to their etching technology not meeting Samsung standards. This decision reflects Samsung's commitment to maintaining high-quality production standards, even if it means changing their lineup of suppliers. UTI still holds contracts with other Chinese smartphone makers, indicating their continued relevance in the industry. Outro. So, there you have it. As we edge closer to the release date, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 promises to be an exciting addition to the foldable phone market, potentially setting new standards for pricing and performance. What are your predictions for this device? Will it live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to Mobile Buzz 2.0 for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.